Today we will walk into the dApp staking feature of Astar Network. In this feature, we can earn passive income by staking in any projects that we find interest in the Astar ecosystem. First, Astar is one of the largest smart contract platforms in the Polkadot ecosystem, supporting both WASM and EVM. While providing native access to Polkadot ecosystem through its parchain slot, Astar Network also has bridges into other major systems, including Ethereum, BSC, Cosmos, Polygon, and more. dApp staking is how developers who build dApps can get compensated. By having a basic income, developers can keep building and improving their dApps. When staking, dApp stakers get more long-term value from their tokens while earning high APRs from betting their tokens to dApps. To use dApp staking, select the network button, then select dApp staking. Next, we will connect Web 3.0 wallet. Here we will have already connected sub-wallet. Moreover, if we look in the wallet tag, we can see that Astar supports two versions, including EVM wallet and Substrate wallet. Please carefully deposit tokens with the appropriate network. On the main screen, information such as TVL in dApps, staker rewards, current error, total dApps is displayed. All of these metrics could be changed by time according to the platform and the mechanism. In the section My Staking, it will display all the real-time parameters after we staked. Below are dApps that are built on Astar Network. We can participate in staking to support our favorite projects as well as earn passive income. There are categories including DeFi, NFT, tooling, and utility. When clicking on a dApp that we love, it will display basic information about that project and statistical data in order to evaluate the project. Then users can go to the final decision. We will choose OffSwap as an example. Click Stake Now. To be able to participate in staking, we need at least 500 Astar token. Next, we can choose transaction speed. Depending on our needs, we will select Fast. Note that transaction fee will be affected. After confirming, we will return to the main screen. In the My Staking section, our parameters will be displayed after staking, like total staked, available claim, retake after claiming, that is, after we claim rewards, the reward will automatically stake for us. Depending on our strategy, we can turn it off or on. Total earned. When we click on My dApps, it will show all the dApps that we have staked. Here we will show OffSwap. And when we want to stake more, we will choose Add to return to original steps. And when we want to unstake, choose Unbond. In the dashboard, we show the amount of Astar token we have staked. Here we will choose to withdraw max and then press Start Unbonding. After confirm in the wallet, we will return to the main screen. And like our example, we have withdraw all stake Astar token, so here our parameters will be 0. Note that right after unstake, we will not receive Astar token and reward immediately, but have to wait around 5 days on Shiden and 10 days on Astar.